My name is Sebastian Schön. I work in GROB-WERKE and I'm responsible for all of the application team worldwide. And I also here tomorrow on our grand opening here in our new plant in India. And so we will show our visitors and our potential customers here our G550 access machine with an air movement. The machine have HSK 100 spindle and our famous tunnel and horizontal spindle concept. As I told you, our USP and our main concept is the horizontal spindle. So the tool is always on the horizontal position and all chips can flying down, go away from the tool. So we have longer tool life for the customer, and for sure then it's more benefit for the production. We can also turn the workpiece overhead, so it means we have the best position and possibility for a stable machining concept. And always our Z-axis is in the slide, so we go not out of a box, and the stability of the machine will be on all positions where we machine the part nearly the same. That is one of our most USPs which give the customers the most benefit, meanwhile a machine lifetime in the production. On the access machine we have a gearbox in the A-axis and we have a torque motor in the B-axis. We have high dynamic values and we have different spindles. Here in this configuration on the machine we have an HSK 100 spindle with 10,000 RPMs, 340 Newton meters torque on the spindle. So it means it's a heavy machine for roughing steel material as titanium, Inconel and all heavy materials. With our tunnel concept, you see now the tool change will be behind the work area, so we have no chance to have a collision. Meanwhile, we rotate the workpiece and we change the new tool. And also, the tool length is not depend on the maximum or the maximum workpiece size. And this is also the reason why we have so much long Z-axis, that we can go out with very long tools, and the longest tools which we load in the magazine, we can go out completely of the work area, as you saw it now.